Why does your scanner show the P0654 engine code? What does it mean? P0654 is a diagnostic trouble code for engine RPM output circuit malfunction. The P0654 engine code for indicate your vehicle's powertrain control module, PCM or ECU, detects an abnormal voltage reading that sends engine speed, RPM, data from the computer control modules. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Damaged wiring or electrical connections, faulty tachometer or instrument cluster, defective crankshaft or position sensor, aftermarket modifications or tuning problems, faulty powertrain control module, PCM. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Toyota, Chevrolet, and Lexus. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.